In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post GIFs on Reddit in a few simple steps. Whether you're new to Reddit or just looking to spice up your posts, sharing GIFs is a great way to engage with the community. So, grab your device, and let's dive right in. First, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your Reddit account. If you don't have one yet, it's easy and free to sign up. Once you're logged in, think about the subreddit where you want to post your GIF. Remember that each subreddit has its own rules and guidelines, so it's a good idea to check those out before you post to ensure that GIFs are allowed. You'll find these rules at the top of the subreddit page in a section labeled About, or simply by searching for the community rules. Next, navigate to the subreddit you've chosen by using either the search bar at the top of the home page or by browsing through your feed if you're already subscribed. Once you're in the right place, look for the Create Post button, which is usually located on the right-hand side of the page or in a prominent spot at the top, depending on the layout. Click on this to bring up the post creation page. On the post creation page, you'll see several options for your post type. Since we're focusing on GIFs, you'll want to select the Image Video option. This is where you'll be uploading your GIF. Click on this option and then proceed to Upload, where you can either drag and drop your file or navigate through your folders to find your GIF. Before you upload, it's essential to check that your GIF meets the subreddit's size restrictions. Different subreddits might have varying requirements, but a general rule of thumb is to keep your GIF file under 100 megabytes to ensure it uploads smoothly. If it's larger, you might want to use an online tool to compress it without losing quality. After selecting your GIF, take a moment to add a catchy title to your post. Titles are key on Reddit, as they're what catch the eye of other users. Make it relevant and intriguing to encourage people to click and engage with your post. Once you've filled out your title and confirmed your GIF is ready to go, click Post to publish it. Your GIF will now appear in the subreddit for others to view, comment, and upvote. Lastly, don't forget to check back on your post to interact with any users who leave comments. Engaging with the community is one of the best parts of Reddit, and responding to comments can boost your post and your karma score. And there you have it. You've successfully posted a GIF on Reddit. Enjoy sharing and engaging with the community, and until next time, happy Redditing!